project we won is, we call it SMEColony. Effectively, what inspired us is the lack of digital channel for SMEs. Now, most banks serve SMEs, or for that matter, businesses by way of a digital banking portal or digital app, which is banking or transactional in nature. There is none in the market right now that actually serve them in a very general purposes, which includes support them, give them advisory, give them relevant businesses, and all these things inspire us to come up with something very unique where nobody has it, and which is generic in nature, but yet is unique and differentiated. Okay, so this is something which we have came up with. This app is the first and most unique in the market. It's the first one in the market by a bank, which is SME community development app, where all SMEs are welcome to come on board. And it is about getting all sorts of partners to come into the portal, where they will put inside the available businesses, solutions, and services where SME can tap on. Effectively, one and only in the market, perhaps so far the first. And this is not just limited to Affin Bank customers. Any SMEs can come on board, get help. If more help are needed, access to Affin Bank is inside. Also, they can come can get contact with Affin Bank. But effectively, it's about SME first, bank later. So we help to serve the community first. On the app perspective, it's of course new. What we're going to do is mainly to do lots of content enrichment and expand the value chain which we can serve the SMEs from very startups all the way to very established SME. So it will take a while to get that enriched. As far as the company is concerned, overall, from the SME banking perspective, we will look at how do we serve a segmental specialties, for example, female entrepreneurs, okay, a little bit more on startups, and perhaps some segments that we feel which is require a little bit more help, or where banking can come into play. Obviously, in the app itself, we're looking at, like I said earlier, the slightly bigger value chain. Among them are employee benefits, which is currently also claimed to be served by a lot more people, but actually it can be further improved by in lots of ways. And some of the unique features that we can certainly enhance. I mean, we recently won a recognition for having the best startup initiative for SME banking. We certainly will write on it and enhance our features and uniqueness and offerings to the startups. So these are among things we will enrich it and enhance it within the app itself. Affin Bank is a latecomer in SME banking in this market. So being late, if we continue to do the thing same way, you perhaps get us not too far. While we provide all the bread and butter most banks do for SMEs, hence we want a differentiated approach. So apparently in that case, we have done it differently, and thank you for the recognition, and perhaps appreciated by some of the SMEs in the community. And definitely with this, we will ride on a little bit more. And well, needless to say, I'm overjoyed with it, and certainly look forward to a lot more appreciation and recognition from the market itself.